We just parked at the top of the trailhead to go down to Pirates Cove. Gonna check it out. There's a dude flying a drone back here. Woohoo! Okay, so we're going down this trail. Tammy wants to walk. So we just made it back up the beach. Some guys helped me carry the bicycle up a few flights of stairs. It was crazy. We couldn't film much down there because it wouldn't be nudist etiquette to film on a nude beach. But it was very nice. So we're just heading north now. We ran out of propane. So our fridge is running off solar. We cannot cook. We cannot shower with hot water. So we found a place like 25 miles away that has propane. And we're making some snacks.
Yes.
We ran out of propane this morning, so we just came to the U-Haul to fill up, and my tanks were out of date, so the guy had to recertify them. So now they're good for another 10 years, or 5 years or something. Because we normally fill up our own propane at the RV park, but now we're filling up fresh water. The nice guy let us use his faucet, so we get to shower tonight.
You're good to me, but I like the things you do. Cross my heart and hope to die.
So the Moss Landing KOA in a little town called, I
guess we're guilty of the same crime.
Little shopping centre is very convenient. I'm going to go to the grocery store. I'm going to go get a burrito for breakfast.
and then we're going to find a nude beach.
Yes.
You're good for me, no. But I like the things you do. You're good to me.
Here it's a little different. We're 12.
But I like the things you put.
We just picked up some organic strawberries and bananas at this nice little roadside stand. So we found our spot for tonight, hopefully, just in this mall parking lot. Beach is down there, and here's the rig. So we parked in this little parking lot. I don't even know if it's owned by the city, the state, the mall. There's no street lights, it's pitch black, and we're gonna give it a shot and try park here. And there she is eating again. We've had dinner, and there she is eating again.
I'm sorry. I'm a snacker.
So we woke up this morning. Nobody hassled us. Doesn't look like there are any tickets on the windshield. And
The bed is made, and we're getting ready for the day.
it's the best little parking lot. I mean, the surfers are coming. There's a bunch of stores nearby. Taco shop, breakfast shop, grocery store, coffee shop. And can't ask for better free camping than this. again, cooking up a storm.
We got to eat well because we just did gym.
Last night the headlights of my e-bike malfunctioned, so I'm kind of doing a little repair on the road here. Oh yeah, this breakfast is way better than what the restaurant was going to serve us. So we decided to hit the road, and what we do is, from the word go, we can be on the road in about 10 minutes.
Yep.
Just put the computers away, put the tall standing things away.
So we are leaving this cute little town, and they're our German friends that we met. They rented a little RV and they're traveling around America. They go back to Germany next week, and Warren is coming out of here. What we learned about this fabulous parking lot is that the coffee shop where they roast their own beans owns the parking lot. So there's the coffee shop on the end, and we try to keep the secrets to ourselves.
Awesome coffee shop right
There's the
here.
coffee shop, super cute, and very, very cute little town. We will definitely be back.
I've just got to spot her to see if we're going to hit the roof, getting some last diesel before it gets expensive in San Francisco. Let's go. Come on. The side of the bridge, as you exit the bridge to the right is a rest stop, and we read online a lot of people come here. You can boondock for 8 hours, no charge, and you get a view of the bridge right across the way and the city. She's still working.
And 3 bottles of the 60.
So here we just pull over to the rest stop. There's the city, there's the bridge. And there's Tammy.
Do anything for you. You're my place, send the sun. I just can't wait for you. I'm so happy on your love. Do anything for you. You're my place, send the sun.
So Warren never gets to shop with me, but today he is shopping with me. Say hi.
Yep, she's in the alcohol section again. Uh-oh.
Warren found a game at Costco. He's really impressed with this Costco. So we just entered Sonoma County, which is full of wine farms and really good wine.
Right, we're stopping at another little roadside stand because we need some eggs.
Yep, so we're gonna get our groceries. Going shopping. Should have brought my basket.
Oh, I just did.
My mistake.
Thank you. Wow. What a cool shop.
Very cute.
How are you?
Good, good.
So we just got to Attila, and what a beautiful place. Look at this. It's so quiet and gorgeous. Nice car, motorbikes.
Chicken jackets.
We only
Leather jacket.
Nice count on
He's
them.
got a leather jacket
Oh
fetish.
my gosh.
I do.
Oh, he
I
has
have
a lot of
leather
fetishes.
Come
You
on.
have no idea.
You're my place in the sun. I just can't wait for you. I'm so high on your love. You anything for you. You're my place.
Okay, but check this out now. Airplane powered bug that runs. Next door, who is it?
Yours, the
Costco.
owner of Costco.
And down that way is the owner of Pinterest.
Yes.
And here we started to do a little bit of work before the fun begins.
She went on her bicycle with her little bag, and these grapes are at one of the homes that are being built, and nobody is eating any of the grapes. She came home with a big bag of grapes, and they were organic grapes.
Packing up, we're going to be leaving these guys soon, and we're going to be heading to Gary and Sandra, who actually rent from us at the RV park in Borrego Springs. They're at their summer home, and then towards the end of October I think they head to Borrego Springs, and that's their winter home. You.
There's nothing unruly about that.
Thank you. You see?
Alright, we're just leaving Attila's house. Tammy's back in here. I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, okay.
Tell me when to start swinging.